Hey, if you're looking to be in the Berkeley School District and you want a 1,500 square foot remodeled home under 400K, you got to check this one out. So this is a 1,500 square foot, 3-bed, 1.5 bungalow, 1947 build. Nice all brick. This one's listed at $480 in the Royal Oak, Berkeley, Michigan area. Great location, very central. Coolidge area. Nice 2-car detached here. The private fenced in yard. Got the awning. Nice backyard seating. Got some room for some expansion over there. Looks like you'll see a lot of things on the outside. Obviously very neat and clean, like new roof. And then the landscaping, as well as a lot of things inside, was updated and remodeled, including the kitchens and bathrooms and paint and floor. So let's go check it out. All right, we're inside. Check out that super cool vintage, I guess your foyer lighting. Nice door too. Good storage closet here. I do like this enclosed porch also. One more cool thing, again, a 1947 build. You don't see that kind of hardware anymore. It's like a natural burning fireplace. Bay window there. Pretty nice sized living room. Breakfast nook, dining table area. Nice gourmet kitchen. Good countertop space, nice cabinets. Like the colors as well. They got a pantry here, storage closet. Good size refrigerator. Nice pack in the freezer, always good. And this is the side door here we saw from the outside. Head down to the basement in a second. Nice door to the yard. Upstairs bungalow portion. Let's head up there and check this out real quick. So you do have a half bath up here, which is nice. Would be cool to have a full shower as well. Looks like it's tight. Maybe possible to incorporate that here. Love these built-ins. Good size. Good ceiling height here. Another attic entrance up there. That's a good size room in here. Couple ceiling fans, that's good. Really good sized closet. Maybe something to do with that bathroom. Potentially some expansion room through here to add a full shower. Have to check that out. That could be a good option for somebody. Moving on to the other bedrooms. Shower access in there. Cool light. Windows look good. Size linen. shower. And into the last room. A lot of ceiling fans here too, which is nice. Large, spacious closet. And let's go check out the basement. Right off the bat, storage and utilities. Looks very good, very clean. Sump pump, washer dryer down here. Nice. Main area. That's it. Thanks for tuning in. See you on the next one.